What happens to your body? If you drink roasted black bean water every day. Drinking roasted black bean water can first provide your body with a great source of energy. Packed with protein, fiber, and various beneficial nutrients, this drink offers impressive health benefits. For example, half a cup, 86 g, of cooked black beans contains 114 calories and a solid 7.62 grams of protein. But that's not all. Roasted black bean water offers a range of surprising benefits, especially for individuals over 50. These include helping to prevent cancer, supporting heart health, managing diabetes, strengthening bones, and so much more. The greatest health benefit of black bean water: powerful antioxidants. One of the most significant health benefits of black bean water is its rich concentration of powerful antioxidants, ranking among the top 10 most potent and health-boosting antioxidants. If you're unfamiliar with antioxidants, here's a simple explanation. During cellular metabolism, oxidative compounds are produced. These compounds can attack DNA and proteins, leading to mutations that may impair organ functions or even create cancerous cells. Black bean water acts as a protective shield for your body. Black beans are loaded with polyphenols, especially anthocyanins, which give the beans their dark color, as well as flavonoids such as catechin, myricetin, kaempferol, and quercetin. These flavonoids possess strong anti-cancer properties. Moreover, selenium found in black beans helps reduce inflammation and slow the growth of tumors. Saponins, another compound in black beans, are known to inhibit cancer cell replication and prevent their spread. Additionally, the fiber in black beans is associated with a lower risk of colorectal cancer. On top of all this, black beans are rich in folate, a crucial nutrient that aids in synthesizing and repairing DNA, thereby preventing the formation of cancerous cells caused by DNA mutations. Black beans, a heart-healthy superfood. Black beans are packed with fiber, potassium, folate, vitamin B6, and phytonutrients, all of which contribute to improved cardiovascular health. Additionally, the lack of cholesterol in black beans makes them an excellent choice for heart-conscious diets. The dietary fiber in black beans helps lower total blood cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Vitamin B6 and folate play a crucial role in preventing the accumulation of homocysteine, a compound that, in excess, can damage blood vessels and lead to heart problems. Quercetin and saponins, two key compounds found in black beans, also provide significant cardiovascular benefits. Quercetin acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis and protecting against damage caused by low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol. Meanwhile, research shows that saponins help lower blood lipid and cholesterol levels, further reducing the risk of heart and vascular damage. Incorporating black beans into your diet is a simple and effective way to support a healthy heart and prevent cardiovascular issues. Black beans, a natural ally for bone health. If you suffer from osteoporosis or joint pain, consuming black bean water in moderation can provide a natural boost of calcium to strengthen your bones. Black beans are not only rich in calcium, but also contain linoleic acid, a compound similar to anti-inflammatory medications, which can help alleviate pain caused by osteoporosis. Black beans are a powerhouse of essential nutrients, offering high levels of protein, fiber, and key minerals such as iron, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, manganese, copper, and zinc. These nutrients play a vital role in building and maintaining the strength and structure of bones. Calcium and phosphorus are the foundation for bone formation, while iron and zinc help maintain bone durability and flexibility. Remarkably, 99% of the body's calcium, 60% of its magnesium, and 80% of its phosphorus are stored in the bones. This highlights the importance of a diet rich in these nutrients to protect and preserve bone health. Including black beans in your diet is an effective and natural way to support strong, healthy bones and combat the effects of aging on your skeletal system. Black beans, a perfect choice for diabetes management. Black beans are an excellent food for individuals with diabetes due to their high fiber content and beneficial compounds. Research indicates that people with type 1 diabetes who follow a high-fiber diet experience lower blood sugar levels, while those with type 2 diabetes can improve blood sugar control, lipid profiles, and insulin levels. 1 cup of cooked black beans, 172, provides approximately 15 genes of fiber, meeting more than half of the 25-gene daily fiber recommendation by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, for a 2,000-calorie diet. Additionally, a 2015 study published in the Journal of Nutrition highlighted that anthocyanins in black beans enhance insulin sensitivity, aiding in better blood sugar management. According to WebMD, black beans do not cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels like many other carbohydrates, making them a great option for stabilizing blood sugar. These attributes make black beans an outstanding addition to a diabetic-friendly diet, helping to support better blood sugar control and overall health. Black bean. Water, a natural solution for blood pressure. Regulation. Black bean water is an excellent choice for regulating blood pressure, especially for individuals with hypertension, thanks to its unique nutritional profile. Black beans naturally have low sodium levels and are rich in essential minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium, all of which contribute to effectively and naturally lowering blood pressure. Potassium in black beans helps balance sodium levels in the body, while calcium and magnesium relax blood vessels, improving circulation and maintaining stable blood pressure. To maximize these benefits, opt for low-sodium canned black beans if using pre-packaged options. Be sure to rinse and drain them thoroughly to remove excess salt before preparation. Along with incorporating black beans into your diet, consider combining them with other blood pressure-friendly products to better manage your condition and enhance overall cardiovascular health. Black beans, antioxidants that protect vision. The antioxidants in black beans are essential nutrients that play a significant role in protecting eye health, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. According to research by the National Eye Institute, NEI, increasing antioxidant intake can lower the risk of AMD by up to 25% in high-risk individuals. Additionally, these antioxidants have been shown to reduce the incidence of vision loss by 19% within the same group, offering substantial benefits for maintaining and improving vision health. Incorporating black beans into your diet is a simple way to support long-term eye health and protect against age-related vision issues. Black beans, a perfect food for weight loss and healthy living. Black beans are an excellent food for weight loss and maintaining a healthy physique thanks to their high fiber content. The fiber in black beans promotes a feeling of fullness, reduces appetite, and prolongs satiety after meals. This naturally reduces the total calorie intake, making black beans an effective aid in weight management. Studies have shown that incorporating plant-based foods like black beans into your diet not only helps regulate body weight, but also lowers the risk of obesity-related diseases. When consumed in moderation, black beans provide balanced nutrition, abundant energy, and support a healthy and sustainable lifestyle. Black beans, supporting nervous system health. Black beans are a rich source of essential amino acids and vitamin B9, folic acid, both of which play a crucial role in protecting and enhancing the health of the nervous system. Research indicates that a deficiency in folic acid can lead to elevated levels of homocysteine, a risk factor associated with neurodegenerative diseases such as Parkinson's. Incorporating black beans into your daily diet not only ensures an adequate intake of folic acid, but also helps reduce the risk of neurological disorders, contributing to overall health and well-being. Black beans, a natural boost for men's sexual health. Research has revealed that black beans are a rich source of molybdenum, a rare mineral found in very few foods. Molybdenum has been shown to help reduce issues related to impotence and erectile dysfunction in older men when consumed regularly. Additionally, this mineral is believed to enhance sexual desire, making it particularly beneficial for supporting male reproductive health. How to store and use black bean water. Storing black bean water. To preserve the nutritional value and extend the shelf life of black bean water, follow these guidelines. After cooking, let the black bean water cool completely, then transfer it to a glass container. Avoid using plastic bottles. Seal tightly and store in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. For longer storage, divide the black bean water into small bags or containers and freeze. Thaw naturally before drinking. However, note that freezing may reduce the nutritional content. If not refrigerated, keep the black bean water in a cool, ventilated place and check for any unusual smell or taste before consuming. Discard if it has a sour odor or off flavor, as this indicates spoilage. Tips for drinking black bean water. Do not replace your daily water intake entirely with black bean water. Limit to 2 to 3 times per week, drinking 102 to 250 ml per serving. Avoid adding sugar to maintain its nutritional value. Drink at least 4 hours before or after consuming other foods to optimize nutrient absorption. Refrain from drinking black bean water if you have a cold, digestive issues, or a weak digestive system, as it has a cooling nature. Who should drink black bean water? Black bean water is beneficial for individuals aiming for safe weight loss without strict dieting, those seeking to improve their skin and hair naturally and cost-effectively, diabetic or hypertensive individuals who want a healthy alternative to sugary drinks, people looking to boost their immunity due to poor nutrition, or those following a vegetarian diet. Who should avoid black bean water? Certain groups should limit or avoid black bean water. People taking calcium, zinc, or iron supplements, as phytates in black beans, can hinder the absorption of these minerals. Those with allergies to black beans or other legumes, such as green beans or kidney beans. Individuals with digestive problems or a weak digestive system, as black beans contain galactans, a type of sugar that can cause bloating. Children and elderly individuals should consume it in small amounts to avoid digestive discomfort. Risks of consuming black bean water. Some indigestible compounds in black beans may cause bloating or stomach discomfort if consumed excessively. Its diuretic effect can worsen kidney conditions in susceptible individuals. Excessive consumption may lead to low blood pressure, so those with hypotension should exercise caution. Phytates in black beans can reduce the absorption of minerals like iron, zinc, copper, phosphorus, and calcium. Ways to incorporate black beans into meals. Add black beans to rice for a nutritious meal. Enjoy black bean soup or stew as a hearty and healthy option. Use black beans in salads, soups, or as a filling in wraps to diversify your nutrient intake. Best times to drink. Black bean water. Morning. Drinking black bean water with breakfast helps absorb anthocyanins, prolongs satiety, and supports weight control. Before meals. Drinking it before a meal reduces appetite, making it ideal for those trying to lose weight. By following these guidelines, black bean water can maximize its health benefits and support a balanced, healthy lifestyle. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. If you found the content helpful, please give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more valuable health and nutrition insights. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. See you in the next video, and wishing you good health and boundless energy.